Everyone has some belly fat, even people who have flat abs. That's normal, but too much belly fat can affect your health in a way that other fat doesn't. Some of your fat is right under your skin. Other fat is deeper inside, around your heart, lungs, liver, and other organs. It's that deeper fat, called visceral fat, that may be the bigger problem, even for thin people. In this video, we'll give you the best recipe that'll help you lose pounds of rumen fat without diet or exercise. So please stick with us till the end and make the most of the video. Before we get into the recipe, you need to know what is deep belly fat. You need some visceral fat, but if you have too much of it, you may be more likely to get high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, dementia, and certain cancers including breast cancer and colon cancer. The fat doesn't sit there, it's an active part of your body, making lots of nasty substances. If you gain too much weight, your body starts to store your fat in unusual places. With increasing obesity, you have people whose regular areas to store fat are so full that the fat is deposited into the organs and around the heart. How much belly fat do you actually have? The most precise way to determine how much visceral fat you have is to get a CT scan or MRI. But there's a much simpler, low-cost way to check. Get a measuring tape, wrap it around your waist, your belly button, and check your girth. For your health's sake, you want your waist size to be less than 35 inches if you're a woman and less than 40 inches if you're a man. Having a pear shape, bigger hips and thighs is considered safer than an apple shape, which describes a wider waistline. What we're really pointing to is that if you have more abdominal fat, it's probably an indicator that you have more visceral fat. Now, we won't let you wait longer. Here's the recipe you need. 1 teaspoon of ground ginger added to 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix them well and pickle using apple cider vinegar. Mix again and add 1 tablespoon of honey. Bring a cup of hot water and take only 2 teaspoons of the mixture and put them in the water. Now, make yourself a schedule of having 1 cup of this recipe every day. We guarantee that you will be amazed at the results you'll get. In the end, we would like to remind you of hitting the like button and the subscribes so that you always stay tuned. And if there is someone you care about, do not forget to share this video with him. Stay healthy.